Welcome to Nifty Notions from Sew Very Easy. My name is Laura, and today's video is going to be short and sweet, just like today's Nifty Notion. And today's Nifty Notion are tiny little pincushions, but what's really sweet about them is they have a suction cup on the bottom. So we can put these many different places. We can put them on the bed of the sewing machine, the front of the sewing machine, the top of the sewing machine, even the side. And depending on how smooth your surface is, it can stick right on the counter. And don't forget your serger. It can also go on your serger. It also will go on a mirror, which makes it very easy for adjusting your patterns and your clothing. It also can fit on the back of phones and tablets. So it keeps your phone or tablet in an upright position. So instead of a pincushion, it becomes a foot. It also sticks great on rulers. Regardless if you use it for pins or not, it makes a great little handle. If it sticks on a regular ruler, it will also stick on our specialty rulers, which makes it a lot easier to pick up and cut. How many different things can you think of to use the Tulip Pincushion for? Sometimes the littlest notions can be the handiest notions. Thank you for joining me today on Sew Very Easy. Feel free to subscribe, and as always, come on back. Let's see what we're sewing next time in the sewing room. Bye for now.